Hello, everybody. Canoe Watch. Mike Palmer from Mike Palmer Homes. This is a big moment for us in the construction of the canoe. Come here, bud. You want to do this with me? Take that piece of wood. We've been closing this thing slowly. We've got our last sliver of wood cut. Want to dry fit that in there? Alright, that's going to fit right in there. We're going to put a little glue on there, and the hull will be complete. We still need to sand it and fiberglass it, but look at that. That is a thing of beauty. We've been working on this thing a whole school year. And this makes us very, very happy.